Let's now talk about topic and contrast. These are some important aspects of information structure, and they have a strong connection with pragmatic meanings also. We all are familiar with the term of topic. We use this term in general sense: topic of an essay, topic of an assignment, topic of a thesis, etc. We use this word topic in many ways in our academic world. So we all are familiar with this. If we just create a gist of what we have already been using about topic, it would tell us that topic is a center of attention within a certain sentence, and it is the main thing about which a sentence talks about. So, and this could be understood more accurately in contrast to a term which we call comment. Comment is something which we say about a certain topic. I mean, we have a topic in a sentence, and then whatever is said about that topic may be termed as the comment. Given information in a sentence, because it is about it is something or about something which we want to say or want to convey, is called the topic, because this is probably we already know. And then the new information uh, about the topic which shows that shows something which we say about the topic. This might be called the comment. For example, in the example like Hassan ate the biscuits. If this is said in response to a question, what did Hassan do? So we can see what is an information, given information or a topic, and what is comment or a new information here. The topic would be Hassan because it's the given information here, and and this is what we already assume. And the comment would be ate the biscuits because this includes new information. But however, we need to remember that the topic is not always embedded in the given information. Rather, it can be somewhere else also. For example, in the sentence in front of you, if we say Hassan ate the pizza, and for his little sister, he preferred the ice cream. In this sentence, we can see the noun phrase his little sister is new, but it's still the topic of the sentence. It's not necessary, as I said earlier, that it's the given information which would be topic always. Sometimes new information which becomes prominent may turn into the topic of a sentence. Contrast is another aspect, and we can understand this in relation to the use of various parts of speech. For example, a noun phrase is said to be contrastive when it occurs in opposition to another noun phrase. In a certain discourse, when we are talking about something at a length, when a certain noun phrase, a noun comes in opposition to another noun, then we say that they are in a relationship of contrast. And this kind of contrast do create many pragmatic or sociocultural meanings in various settings. In order to elaborate this further, let's look into the example. Alan says, did Matt see the accident? Beth responds, no, Sarah did. So, if you see here, Matt is one noun phrase in the first line of this conversation, and Sarah is another. So, we could see that Sarah came in contrast to Matt. Sarah in Beth's answer is contrasted with Matt in Alan's question. So we can see that they are in contrast to each other. But had there been any other answer, these things would have not been in contrast. For example, if in response to the question, did Matt see the accident, somebody might have said, yes, he did. So there would have been no relationship of contrast between the inquiry and the response. But in the example we mentioned a while ago, or in the previous example, we see that Sarah has come in contrast to Matt, which was mentioned in the first line. Contrast is also marked in sentences that express the narrowing down of a choice from several choices, or from several candidates to one, where there are multiple choices about certain thing. I mean, did this did a certain thing, and somebody says no, only this did a certain thing. I mean, this has come in contrast to all those possibilities. When we click on one possibility, that might be treated as in contrast to the other options available to us. In such sentences, the noun phrase that refers to the candidate, to the one we pick, in contrast to other ones chosen, is marked contrastively. Another test for contrast between various sentences can be seen if a noun phrase can be followed by the expression rather than. It is contrastive. For example, speaker A says, did Matt see the accident? Speaker B says, no, Sarah, rather than Matt see the accident. So we can see that Sarah is followed by rather than. So we can say that Sarah is in contrast to Matt, and this noun phrase of Sarah qualifies the test of contrast. So we can sum up that Sarah in this sentence is in contrast to Matt in the previous sentence.